Hello to the vibrant communities of Culver City, Playa Vista, and Mar Vista. As we enter the final months of 2023, we continue to experience lower than average inventory, with homes selling more rapidly due to the dynamics of supply and demand, even in the face of higher mortgage rates. To delve deeper into the housing market, be sure to check out my monthly real estate market series, which provides comprehensive insights in both local and national trends. But for now, let's focus on what's happening right here in our neighborhoods. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Skye Realty Group, and I'm here to provide you with the latest updates on our local real estate markets. Culver City, California. At the time of this recording, Culver City had 34 active listings, 10 pending homes, and 7 homes that sold this month so far. The average list price was $2.1 million and the average sold price was $2.1 million, with an average time on market of 19 days. Playa Vista, California. In Playa Vista, there were no active homes, no pending, and one home that sold, spending an average of 8 days on the market. The home that sold in Playa Vista fetched a price of $4 million. Mar Vista and Palms. In Mar Vista Palms, also known as Area 13 in our multiple listing service, I'm going to begin reporting on this area in the MLS versus just reporting on Mar Vista to really create the picture of what's happening in this area. We had 50 active homes, 10 pending, and 5 homes sold at an average of 14 days on the market. Homes in Mar Vista and Palms sold for an average of $2,337,000. As you can see, with the evolving market landscape, it's no surprise that homes are selling quickly and inventory remains limited. With these constant shifts, an experienced agent is essential to guide you through your next steps in real estate. Connect with my team today to gain more information, and we can strategize the best plan for your home. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Skye Realty Group, dedicated to helping you make LA home with a curated real estate experience.